I love wearing creamy glossy lipsticks, so in this video we are going to rate all my Hydra lipsticks. By the way, these are only some of the Hydra lipstick that I own. I have a detailed video on my YouTube channel, go check that out for an in-depth review of every single one of these. The first one and my favorite right now is this one from Inside. This is Inside's Hydra lipstick and this is in the shade London. It's a beautiful mauvish brown shade and I love it on me. I love how glossy this is. It has a thick formulation, so yes, आपको feel होगा कि आपने lipstick लगाई हुई है, but the lipstick actually stays onto your lips for about 3 to 4 hours, which is amazing. This has a beautiful smooth silky texture and बहुत ज़्यादा hydrating भी है. This is a solid 9.5 on 10 from me. I know initially जब मैंने इसको use करना शुरू किया था, I did not really like it, but I got a hang of it and now I absolutely love it. The next one is from Nykaa. This is Nykaa Ultra Silk Hydrating Lipstick in the shade Splashin. The shade is kind of a pinky peachy shade. अगर आप fair skin tone category में आते हो, only then opt for this lipstick. Otherwise, you will have to use a darker shade of lip liner to pair with this one. इसका टेक्सचर ना थोड़ा स्लिपरी टाइप का है. This is not as thick as the Inside one, but color payoff wise I feel that Inside से better color payoff इसका है. This is also very very hydrating. Glossiness भी काफी अच्छी है. And अगर lasting power की बात करें, so it is somewhere between 2 to 3 hours. Honestly, I'm not a big fan of the slippery texture that this has, and that is why this is an 8 on 10. Swiss Beauty My Shine lipstick in the shade Bitter Nude. My first Hydra lipstick, and trust me, इसको use करने के बाद I just fell in love with this whole concept of glossy sticks in a stick form. इसका texture काफी अच्छा है. It is between the Nykaa and the Inside one. I love it how it feels on the lip. I love the color. However, इसका pigmentation काफी sheer है, so आपको इसको कई बार layer करना पड़ेगा to get somewhat translucent finish. The lasting power is also very very less, somewhere around 1.5 hours, and then you will have to reapply. It's kind of a lip balm but a tinted lip balm and with beautiful shades. There are a lot of shades to choose from. You can check that out. I will rate this like an 8.5 on 10. And the last one and probably the most affordable one is this one from Zudio. Obviously आप online नहीं ले सकते इसको. This is Drench Kiss Intense Creme Lipstick in the shade Soft Kiss. This is how it looks on me and I love the shade. Now this is not essentially your Hydra lipstick, but the glossiness and the hydration and the creaminess makes it kind of similar to other lipsticks that I've shown in this video. This has the maximum color payoff among all the four and its lasting power be around 3 to 4 hours ki hai, because it's a cream lipstick and that too a glossy cream lipstick. So we shouldn't really expect more than what these lipsticks can actually give. Overall, I love this. It's super affordable, super comfy and बहुत सारे shades में भी available है. All you have to do is just go to Zudio store, swatch and shop. If you like Hydra lipsticks and you like any of the ones that I showed and you want a link, then it's on the screen, check it out. And if you want more options, check out this video.